Hello, this is Tracy Bowman coming from Buzzards Bay, Bowman for Art on Facebook, and TABowman Studios here in Buzzards Bay. And I've done a few flower paintings that people seem to really like and asked for videos. So here's one. This is my first one. I absolutely love it. I made it digital, so I'll be able to play with it and have some fun stuff. So I also decided I loved it so much I had to do another one. And I did this one, which was a favorite too. And this one sold already, which was a nice big gallery wrap. So I'm really, really, really pleased with it. I am going to resin them. So I figured, since I'm a real floweraholic, I need to do a series of all of these. So I'm going to have fun with it, and I'm going to do one now. So I'm going to get you down on the page here on my canvas. I have my, nope, that's not going to work. Okay. So I will have to switch this. So I'll have to figure out how to do that. I'll see you in a minute. Base down already. And I've got all my colors mixed up over here. I don't know if you can see them. Well, maybe I'll show you them. Got all my colors mixed up here. I've got various different purples and violets and red violets and silver. And I think it's going to make a great combination. So I'm back to the canvas here. And so I cut my base down, and I'm going to put a little bit of a pillow all around it. I'm just going to go like this. This is what I did with the last two, and it seemed to work nicely. So I'm going to do that. Just a little extra. And let's see. We'll start with this deep purple. This is by Amsterdam. And it is, whoosh, permanent blue violet. And let's see. I want to switch it up a little bit. I have fun playing with different colors here. And this one is a red violet by Amsterdam. I think I want to put some shocking pink in it. Ooh, and I want to drizzle this in the center of it all. Just to give it some bling in the center of everything. I love this Chantilly lace prism pour, which is really fabulous. Okay, so now I want to do this color. color shift violet. This violet purple. This one is a color shift by Arteza, Electric Plum, and this one is a color shift. Nope, that's not it. Oh, this one's the color shift. I'm sorry, I get confused. Oh, the other one, oh, is it Extreme Sheen Amethyst. So that's fun. All right, now I think I'm losing my, I want it to be 4 different color flowers. All right, now what am I going to put in the center of that one? Ooh, I know. The deep purple. And give it a nice contrast. Okay, now I'm going to put some flowers around, or leaves, excuse me. Leaves. And this is, what is this? This is Amsterdam's olive green. And it was really dark, and I was looking for something just a little bit lighter. So I put just a drop of titanium white in it to brighten it up a bit. And I like to variegate my leaves. So I got a little lime green in it. And I think I want to drizzle just a little bit of silver on the leaves because the purple just seems so cool. I usually like to use gold, but I think this time I'm going to use a little bit of silver. All right, now my cell activator is Payne's Gray. I see something I want to do. I want to put a tiny bit of this bright pink here. A tiny bit of this bright pink here. Tiny bit of this light purple here, and a little bit of that there too. Okay. All right, now we're going to do my cell activator. Payne's Gray. Now I put it in the direction that I want to blow it. So the leaves are going to go out that way. So I put it here, so it will go that way. Ooh, I just had a thought. I don't know if I have it ready though. Well, maybe I'll do it in, oh, yes, I think I do. It's been here for a little bit though. I'll have to get a really good stir, some white cell activator. I'm thinking a couple of these would look really good with some white cell activator in it. Give a spot there. Maybe all of them will get a spot. Okay. Now we'll go for the flowers. Okay, and I love using the tiniest blow dryer ever. And I start with my leaves. Oops, and I want to give it a light torch, just get rid of some of the bubbles. And I should have noticed that I have big bubbles, so let me get rid of them. Which blowing them probably would have got rid of them, but we're good now. All right. Okay, here we go. And I'm not crazy about the white on there. We'll see what happens. Might have to do another one now. Okay. We'll let that cell activator kind of work together a little bit. I find it's a very stretchy consistency, so once you pull it out, it has to come back. So we have to allow that to happen. In the meanwhile, I can play with the leaves. This is called modifying, when you like to play with your creation, give it a little extra interest. You have to wipe it off each time, otherwise you'll muddle it up a bit, and you don't want that. It's windy and rainy out today. Okay, so you see how it's all collected now? And we will create our flower shapes now. You got to be careful you don't dribble it. But I don't like to come completely to the center. I'd like to leave that bit there so you can see a center. I'm going to spin it slightly. It's a little cockeyed here. The two prominent ones here. Not sure if I like the white cell activator here. It looks really great on the purple, but I think it muted some of the things here. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Might have to make another one without in the same color scheme and see what I think. Okay. Methodically drawing in the petals. Okay, so the ones we can see. There There we go. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit this way. See if I can get it to move a little bit that way. Give it a spin. Now, when I make these, everybody says, "Oh, I need hearts on there. I need hearts. I need hearts." So let's make us a couple. Okay, I like that one. And let's see, what color is this? I think I'll do this one. A couple over here. Okay. That's one. Two. Maybe I'll do one violet one down here. If they're too big, they won't keep their shape. And it's nice how the leaves flow off the sides. It's quite pretty. So if you can see, let me take my gloves off. I can bring you down so you can see it. I should give it a light torch. Get you off of here. Come on. So, anyway, I think it came out lovely. So if you can see how there's these two prominent flowers, these feel like they're in the background. So those ones I did first, so, and those I did last. So you can tell that the ones you do first and last will be the ones that are the most prominent. So I think I'll orient it that way. So it came out lovely. That's why the white cell activator wasn't so bad. I don't think. Well, let me know if you like it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you'll see more when they come about. Okie doke. Thank you very much. And see you next time. Bye now.